Hi everyone, I'm Divya and welcome to my channel The Food Mile. Pancake need not be sweet always. Let's make a simple, quick, savory spinach pancakes. Let's begin. Take around 100 grams of fresh spinach. Avoid using the thick twigs. If you take in cups, it will be about 3.5. Keep the flame low and heat the spinach until they wilt. Once it cools down, grind it. Other ingredients of the batter, we will be taking 1 cup of whole wheat flour or gehu ka atta, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 by 4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder. Mix them well. Next is egg. Add 1 egg. For my vegetarian friends, I have mentioned the details of the egg substitute in the description box. Then comes milk, 1 cup, and the ground spinach. Mixing with spatula before using the blender just to make sure things don't get messy. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and mix it well. Batter is ready. Take a non-stick fry pan preferably. Brush little oil. Keep the flame medium-low. Pour a ladle of batter. Drizzle some oil over it. After a minute, flip the pancake and cook the other side for a minute. Brush some oil if needed. Make the remaining pancakes similarly. Now, as mangoes are in season, we enjoyed these green healthy pancakes with mangoes and some fresh cream. Garnish them with black olives and it's ready. Hope you like this recipe. Do give it a try for your breakfast or an evening snack. Awaiting your feedback. Do subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Thank you. Stay safe. Bye.